Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you the germination process of snake gourd seed. So see the total video up to the last part, then you will know the total process of the seed germination process. And those are the 7 days old seedlings. So let's get started from day 1. So viewers, let's start from day 1. Those are the seeds which I want to use in this process. So at first you need to place them on a cloth. You need to maintain a proper distance and then fold it. And now I'm going to adding some water on it, and make sure this process is done in a sunlighted area because sunlight is essential for germination process. And now this is day 3. Okay, those seeds are get germinated. Now they are ready to plant. If you want to buy snake gourd seed from online, you can buy it from my description link. I give a link of Amazon in my description. You can go there and buy it from online directly. Okay, now I just collect all the seeds after germination, and it's time to plant them. Now I am going to plant them on my polybag soil pot. This soil is actually 25% of compost and 75% of normal soil. You can also use coco peat or some other material on it. Okay, it's almost done. Now you need to add some water and get watering daily. Okay, the next footage will show you after 7-day growth. Now this footage is after 7 days. All the seeds are get germinated and they are growing properly. Okay, if you want to buy any kind of material which I use in this video, you can buy it easily from my description link. And thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to stay with me.